Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best welder generator combo that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Lincoln Electric Ranger Welder Generator. The Lincoln Electric K28571 is the best welder generator combo present in the market today. It is an engine-driven welder that features 10,500 watts of peak capacity along with a continuous power capacity of 9,000 watts. It operates on 210 amps and 25 volts of power, which is great considering its output capacity. Also, it features a 100% duty cycle, that means it can be used continuously for a very long time without worrying about overheating and overcharging problems. The Lincoln Electric K28571 is a perfect choice for various jobs such as MIG, flux core, and TIG welding, for which Lincoln also has additional optional equipment available. The built-in generator on this device has 23 HP rated power output and contains a 2-cylinder and 4-cycle engine. The engine is completely protected from all sides via 3 dedicated service access doors that are helpful at the time of maintenance. Moving on, at number 4, we have Hobart Champion Elite Welder Generator. Hobart is a well-known brand in the industry as it produces heavy-duty machinery and workshop equipment. Out of which, its welder generator combo is one of the most powerful options you can find in the market. The Champion Elite 225. It is one of the most powerful welder generator combos present on our list, with a peak power capacity of 11,000 watts. It has a 225 amp capacity that enables many different types of welding jobs that are not possible on lower amperage. Even with the high specifications, Champion Elite 225 welder generator is compact in shape and very easy to use. The generator on the Champion Elite 225 welder generator has a dedicated fuel tank with 12 gallons capacity that does not require frequent refueling, which is helpful for long and continuous jobs. The generator shuts down if the oil pressure falls below the design limit, which is an essential safety measure. It is powered by a dependable engine that conserves fuel while running and sustains a longer operation time. At number 3, we have Canaweld Moza Welder Generator. Canaweld has expertise in designing and manufacturing only welding-based tools and equipment. Thus, buying a welder generator from such a brand makes more sense. With 200 amp capacity and 60% duty cycle, the Canaweld Moza engine-driven welder has reserved 3rd place on our list for the best welder generator combos present in the market. Despite the decent amp capacity, it only weighs 135 pounds, which is almost half compared to heavy-duty options present on the list. The welder is a DC arc welding machine that has special high-frequency voltage control that allows proper welding current through the system. Hence, it is capable of welding with all sorts of welding rods. The generator is powered by a high-performance permanent magnet alternator, which ensures a permanently high performance so that you should not worry about the performance degrading over time. The auxiliary current AC circuit has a micro brake inside the machine to ensure maximum protection while using the machine, whether you are running it over an electric supply or generator. The Canaweld Moza engine-driven welder is also certified by US EPA and California regulations to ensure a high standard of the device. At number 2, we have Engine Bobcat 225 Welder Generator. High-power welder generator combo coming from a premium brand called Miller. The Miller Bobcat 225 engine-driven welder has a continuous auxiliary power capacity of 9,500 watts, which is perfect for general use. In case you require high output for a certain period of time, you can use this machine for a rated output of up to 11,000 watts. Hence, it is perfectly suited for DC stick, TIG, non-critical TIG, and MIG welding processes. As it is a premium variant, it comes with many additional benefits such as remote-controlled operation and easy maintenance. The remote control is very easy to use as it only operates with 3 buttons. As for the maintenance, you have an access door on the top of the machine for regular oil checks and toolless panels that can be accessed quickly if needed. It has a single-side fuel and oil drain which further eases the accessibility of the device. And finally at number 1. Miller Trailblazer 325 Engine Drive Welder. The Trailblazer 325 features a Kohler ECH 730-23 HP gasoline engine with 2 cylinders and a continuous power output of 10,500 watts. This unit is designed for professional applications and performs exceptionally well in terms of arc stability and appearance. The Trailblazer 325 also provides ample engine speed adjustability to give you control over power and fuel consumption. Additionally, this machine supports all processes, including stick, TIG, MIG, flux core, and even plasma and caca cutting. According to reviewers, the welder and power producer is easy to configure and use, and although it is on the heavy side, it is easy to mount on the back of a truck. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.